Hi everyone, so it's Sunday and actually I did not vlog for today, so kaka-start ko pa lang. So right now kakarating lang namin from mass because it's Sunday. Okay, sinabi ko na it's Sunday. And then we went to my friend's house, yung high school friend ko si Randy. Wala lang, konting kwentuhan and yun lang. So right now I'm still waiting for my upload. Oh, nag-lock. So, as of now, I don't know if you can see it. Teka, bawasan natin. So, it's 0.84. Oh no, nawala. Out of 1.1 gigabytes. So, I just learned na whenever I have a 14-minute video, so laging 1.1 gigabyte. So medyo kailangan i-less ko yung minutes ng vlog ko para hindi siya mahirap i-upload. So i-update ko kayo later. So by the way, kaninang hapon in-upload ko na nga pala yung latest vlog ko that happened Feb 23 to 25. So, I'm also watching it right now. It's entitled Epic Fail. Sorry. So, please don't forget to watch my vlog. Okay? Okay, so nilagay ko yung ilaw na nandito dun sa may lamp. Kasi feeling ko sobrang harsh ng light. And I'm still watching my vlog. And I like my face today. Nga pala, I use Mary Kay CC cream. Yung bang shade yung light to medium. And I have this Ben Nye Luxury powder in the shade of Cameo. I have not used that for I think a year now. So tinry ko siyang gamitin kasi nagsimba kami. And I like the finish of, maganda talaga yung Ben Nye. Kasi yung CC cream na yun, if you are gonna use that CC cream alone, medyo dewy yung finish niya. So, ayoko kasing magmukhang shiny naman masyado. That's why I put the Ben Nye Luxury Powder in the shade of Cameo. So far, nilagay ko siya kaninang mga 5:30 kasi 6 o'clock kami matindang mass. And it's been 2 hours. And hindi pa naman siya masyadong oily. Actually, hindi pa nga siya oily, oh. Sayang wala akong blotting paper para ma-show ko sa inyo. But so far, I like it.
Hello guys! And this is picture. Okay?
Diyan, kikikito mo yun.
Hello, guys. Okay.
Inga. Hello, baby. Baby Joaquin. Nandito ka. Baby, yung mukha mo. Yes.
Hello.
So, paano mo inayos yung damit mo?
Tinali ko lang.
So, sige nga, lakad ka, bilis. Ay, hindi ka kita sa frame. O, so, doon ka sa may dulo-dulo doon. Ayan, tapos lakad ka. Nasaan ka, kunwari?
Sumali kami sa UN, Queen.
Anong country meron ka?
Country.
Ay, hindi ka umimote eh.
Tito, si Joaquin naman.
Si Joaquin naglalakad. Ay, ano, naglalakad. Gumagapang. Joaquin!
Anak! Ako si Mama
Oh,
Mary.
no, wag. Ako na nakukuha, Gwen.
Joaquin!
Mm,
Baby!
baby.
Baby!
Hindi, say hi daw sa
Say hi!
Hi. Hi.
Dapat sa kanya sanayin na sa pag-video eh.
Hi. Say hi daw, say hi. Ay, go. Hi. Hi, Tumimon.
Nahiya pa.
Hi. Gusto niya nakikita niya yung sarili niya may screen. Oh. Tara dito. Hi. Hi.
So pag nakikita pala niya yung sarili niya.
Hi.
Selfie kay selfie, selfie.
Baby.
Ayun na dito sa selfie. Selfie ka dun.
Uy. Hi. Hi. Naabot. Oh, tingnan. Hi. Sino yun? Oh. Hindi, Joaquin.
Baby.
Joaquin. Oh.
Ano?
Dali, 1, 2, 3.
Mhm.
1. Ito pa, 1, 2, 3.
Three. Ayan, video yan ah. Baby, tingnan mo yung tsura mo, ayun oh.
If I lose you, I'll merge.
Sama kay Chloe. Please.
Sama daw, Chloe, yung picture niya dito.
Di picture yan, video.
Hindi
Oh,
ba?
say hi.
Parang
Hi, I'm the beautiful girl.
Sino to si Kimpoy? Hindi ka makita, Kimpoy.
I'm the beautiful girl, and she's
Ako,
my baby. Okay, it's so cute.
Ang liit ni Kimpoy, hindi makita. Dito ka, oh.
Cute.
Kitty.
Ayun, oh.
And Tita's so cute.
Cute kayo, oh. Ayan, oh. Baby, wag malikot.
Oh no, my.
Ayan.
Dito ka.
Tita.
Ay, nilagyan ng ipin.
Baka may lilis na eh.
And this is Kimpoy, and this is Chloe, and this is Matthew, and this is Phil, and this is Beauty, and this is me. Hello, I'm Curly Gwinnett.
Hi everyone, I'm here at Randy's Salon. So, kanina pa ako nandito mga 4 o'clock pa ng hapon. And I just received a news from him that we will be going to Hair Asia tomorrow. Sana matuloy. And then, ano pa ba? So, I did not vlog too much today. Pero I woke up early. So, baka ang gawin ko na lang is isama ko yung vlog for today and yesterday. Kasi maiksi din yung vlog ko yesterday. So, sana matuloy talaga yung ano. So, yun nga. I've been here for almost, it's already, I don't know if you can see it, mag-8 o'clock na ng gabi. Nandito ako mga 4 o'clock. So, kakatapos lang namin kumain and then we are watching TV Patrol. So, baka magstay ako dito ng isang oras na lang and then mamaya uwi na ako sa amin para makapagpahinga ako. Okay, so I think I need to end my vlog for today. Bye-bye!